welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a card scanner using an Arduino board. So all you'll need is, of course, an Arduino board, a breadboard, two LEDs, preferably red and green, and a buzzer, and a breadboard. And that's all you'll need. And then, of course, just a computer to plug it into and have the Arduino coding platform installed, which is all those software things that's for free. But you'll need to buy the Arduino board if you don't already have one. Anyways, without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. So in a minute, an image will pop up on screen just showing how we're going to plug this thing in. But I'll also show you a quick time lapse if you want to, see a POV of how it's going to work. Okay, after assembling just the scanner and attaching it to the Arduino board, we want to get out our card or tag, because the next piece of code we'll put into the Arduino board will be able to decipher basically if it's what ID number your card or tag has. So we'll be able to, the final project will be able to differentiate it from others, so only your card can actually open the system. But to do that, we'll actually need to get the code, which you can get through this system. So I'll be showing that. Okay, so you want to open up your Arduino tab there, go to Tools, Examples, and then scroll down to MFRID 522. Then click Dump Info. Then it'll open up a new tab. So you may want to enlarge the tab just so you can see everything. And you'll see again an error message because it's not connect. I didn't set it to the right port, so you want to go to Ports and make sure it's the correct one. So it's actually connecting to your Arduino board. Click the check mark, so then it's compiling. Done compiling, that means the code is correct. Then the little arrow button, then it's uploading, and done uploading. That's good because that means it's gone through to your Arduino board. Then you want to click on the magnifying glass, open that up there so you can see the information from when you tap on the card. Now on the actual Arduino board, you want to tap your card down, hold it for a few seconds, and I'll show you what you should be seeing on your screen. So while you're holding it down, these numbers should be showing up. So just hold it down until the numbers have stopped going. Okay, yeah, you can see it stopped now, so you can take the card off the thing. But maybe hold it for a few more seconds just in case. But yeah, now you scroll up, you can see next to card UID, you can see the ID number your card should have, and that just copy paste that and save it for later for the code. Okay, moving on now. We're going to be adding to the circuit, we're going to be adding a servo, buzzer, and two LEDs. If you don't want to add the buzzer or two LEDs, you can do you don't have to, it'll work the same way. But for this part we will be needing a breadboard, and I can't make a video of it just because it looks more confusing and weird than just looking at an image of it and copying it down. But I will just put a quick, more neat photo at the end of it just so you can see what the final product is somewhat meant to look like. If you're done, it should look something like this. It's a bit messy, but as long as you followed the picture correctly and plugged in all the wires where it's set to, it should be working fine. So just plug it into your computer, and I'll show you what the code you need to use is and how to get it to pair up with your actual card. So you want to open up that tab, and the code will be in the description. Just copy paste it exactly onto your Arduino. Yeah, so yeah, code will be in the description. So you want to scroll down to where it's a default code will be, and then you want to replace it with the code we got from before, that the ID number we got from the card before. Just replace it with that, so then it'll be able to recognize your card number as the correct one. Yeah, I just had too much trouble with trying to copy paste it correctly just because I don't know how to use a trackpad. But yeah, so just copy paste in there and it should work. Okay, now that that's done, just quickly verify the code to make sure there's no problems. And then once that's done, if you've plugged in your Arduino board and everything, just upload it to the Arduino board. Give it a second while it's uploading, and then only unplug when it says done uploading. Then, yeah. Okay, now for the moment of truth, I put in the card ID number. Hopefully it works. See, it beeps, lights green, and turns. Okay, amazing. So if you get a similar result, then that means it's working. Alright, now let's see what happens if I put in the wrong ID card. It just beeps and lights red. Alright, now that we've assembled the circuit, you can use it for a few projects like a door lock, something that can make a box only open with your card, any projects like that. I think should be a few videos on my channel already about these projects you can make, some tutorials on how you can do them. So if you want, go check out those, but otherwise, just bye, thanks for watching.